Welcome to Tech Notice, guys. In this episode we're checking out the competitor to the SmallHD 5-inch camera monitor or field monitor. So just to clarify, this is just the unboxing video. If you would like to see the review for this, then stay tuned, the review will be coming out soon. But first of all, let's unbox it then. The box has a really nice design from the outside as well, like really minimalistic and cool, more than a monitor. It says on the side here, very like white, hardly anything on it, which I prefer actually. I like products that are designed like that. Okay, let's open it up and see what's inside. Also, it's 4K HDMI input support, so that is cool. So we are greeted by, I guess this is just the shade for the monitor. Let's open it up, might as well. And then we have, whoa, here's the monitor itself. Looking cool, looking very, very cool. Then we have a user manual, a package list, and then a bit of, whoa, what's that? Qualified certificate. Okay, it's passed some kind of test, QC, and a bit of microfiber cloth. Okay, we have the HDMI to HDMI mini. Then we have the frame for the monitor, I guess. Oh yeah, this is the frame where you attach your shade on. And then we have this tilt arm. Let's have a look at the monitor over here. So the monitor has a 5.7-inch screen, and the monitor is called Andycine. So this is the company that makes it. From the top we have a 1/4-inch screw hole, and then we have function 1, 2, 3, and 4 buttons. We have a menu button, left and right arrows, and then a power on button. Then on the side we have a 1/4-inch screw, that is the right side. On the bottom we have another 1/4-inch screw, which means that you have plenty of mounting options over there. Then you have a headphone jack, and then you have mini USB port that says USB upgrade. I guess this is where you can upgrade your firmware for this monitor. Then there is HDMI in, a DC out, which is 8 volts, and then DC in, which is 12 volts. So now, and then let's have an example camera over here. And then you just use this as the hot shoe mount over here. And then voila, now you can actually turn it both ways. So that is pretty cool. Let's see if I can turn it on. This is the monitor connected to the camera. Look, it's proper working. Let me just go off so you can actually see that it's working. Can you see? The monitor is working. It's coming from the camera. Obviously it's powered in. In the back there is a Sony NP-F 970 battery mount, so you can power it by battery, obviously. Let me just check this out as well. You have this little cover that you can slide to the front here. It kind of clips in, and then you can have the shade over it, and voila. And then if you're in the sunlight, it's much better for you to see it like that. So if you want to know the full review about this monitor, then stay tuned. The full review and the specs and what this monitor can do will come out soon. But in the meantime, if you want to check out this monitor, the link is in the description. Also, if you're new here and you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing, because content like this is coming out at least every single Friday. So hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the full review, and I'll see you very soon. Okay, bye.